I followed this one budgeting rule for 30 days straight, and by day 15, I found $340 I didn't know I was wasting. But it almost broke me first. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings. Sounds simple, right? I thought so too, until I actually tracked every dollar. Week 1 was rough. My needs category was already eating 65% of my paycheck. Rent, phone bill, groceries. I had basically nothing left for the 30% wants. I had to cut food delivery, cancel a subscription, and say no to a friend's dinner plan. Then in week 2, I made a mistake that cost me. I didn't track small purchases, coffee, snacks, random online buys. By the end of the week, I'd blown through my wants budget in just 4 days. So I changed one thing. Every single purchase, no matter how small, got logged the same day. That's when I found it. $340 a month going to subscriptions and small purchases I'd completely forgotten about. By week 4, I wasn't just following the rule. I'd actually hit 20% savings for the first time in months. Not because I earned more, because I finally saw where my money was actually going. If you take one thing from this, don't start with the budget. Start by tracking every expense for just 7 days first. You'll be shocked what you find. I was. If you want me to break down exactly how I categorize the 50-30-20 rule, let me know in the comments. I'll make part 2.